Hey guys, in this video I will talk about the best Bluetooth hoverboard. After much research I found these products much helpful for people like you. I will provide you brief information about these products. If you want to know about the price and other information about these products, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tomlu Hoverboard UL2272 certified. It's one of the earliest manufacturers of this amazing gadget. And since their establishment, they are working to provide quality products with maximum safety for its consumers. Tumulu is one of the few brands that own a proper research and development unit which actually works hard to accelerate product efficiency, comfort, and safety. It has some key features such as Bluetooth-enabled music control, 5 different colored LED lightning tires, built-in permanent magnet speakers. Positive side of this product, Bluetooth-operated music playback. Tires with switching light adding beauty and fun. IPX4 certification assuring water resistance. Smart auto balancing for wheels. Easy to carry. Convenient to ride. Safer battery recommended by UL2272. A trustworthy brand. Negative side of this product, not very good at water resistance. Number 2. Sweattron app-enabled Bluetooth hoverboard. This is an amazing product allowing Bluetooth connectivity and powerful performance as well. This Sweattron is a recommended best hoverboard for both kids and adults, as this is a renowned brand. They believe to provide you ultra excitement with maximum protection. It is a normal size hoverboard and comes at a very reasonable price. It provides multiple features like you can control and monitor your hoverboard with just single tap at your cell phone. You can change modes, use map functions, keep an eye on battery levels, and play your favorite beats with the help of app and speakers. Still you are enjoying your ride. It is an all-terrain hoverboard with Bluetooth, which means that you don't need to worry about the kind of surface you are riding on. Just go zoom zoom. Positive side of this product. Bluetooth allows accessing lots of feature with maximum ease and mobility. It's an all-terrain hoverboard. With its immense power it doesn't mind what kind of surface you are offering. Works smooth. Carries weight up to 220 pounds. Hard rubber durable tires. Fireproof and shockproof material. Intelligent charging enables fast charging and controls or avoids overcharging. Negative side of this product. 5 tire size not much appropriate for recommended weight and surface. Number 3. Extreme Power US 6.5 LBW17 for kids and adult. It's a very safe option for beginners and learners as it owns and occupies an ultra self-balancing technology. An outclass music system with extraordinary quality speakers. Its battery is SGS certified, and the brand also worked well on the wear and tear drop-down durability. It's designed for all the prestigious dedicated riders like you who love thrill and enjoyment at its best, as it provides foot-fix pads. Even a kid can easily ride without slipping or losing balance. So this is a great option for users of all ages from kids to adults. It has some key features such as self-balancing technology, easily connectable to phone with Bluetooth enabling, nicely equipped with music system and speakers, SGS certified Li-ion battery, electric shock-proof, and fireproof, 30 mins extended lift battery. Positive side of this product. Very easy to balance. Bluetooth connectivity is possible and easy. Connectable to mobile as well. SGS certification assures safety. Anti-slip pads are very effective for both kids and adults. Available in variety of colors to choose from. Negative side of this product. Charging not last too long. Number 4. XPRIT Hoverboard with Bluetooth speaker. This is one of my favorites as being a low-priced option still provides with all the luxuries and features which are being offered by its expensive competitors. These scooters also have a self-balancing feature and allow you an enjoyable ride of up to 12 miles, which is no less than the same of its category. With a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour and a weight capacity of 165 pounds, it falls in the category of best hoverboard for kids. Teenagers can also use it, but the weight capacity will not be supported for heavyweight persons. It has some key features such as hoverboard with self-balancing feature, travel up to 12 miles range, 165 pounds max weight capacity, 5 miles per hour maximum speed, UL certification, easy to ride, easy to learn. Positive side of this product. Low price option. Your kid can easily balance. Kids can easily learn how to ride. Offers good battery timings. Nice Bluetooth connectivity. Beautiful and purposeful LED lights to amaze your child. Self-balancing scooters. Negative side of this product. Not very efficient customer care service. Number 5. Tumulu Off-Road Hoverboard. This Tumulu Eagle V2 hoverboard with Bluetooth and lights has the design inspiration of an eagle. Naturally, this must have power, strength, and endurance. The product weight is 35 pounds. The wheel size is big, that is 8.5 inches. This hoverboard with Bluetooth and lights has a top speed of 18 miles per hour, with a range limit of 6 to 12 miles. This is equipped with the dual motors of 400 watt. The powerful battery has a capacity of 43,000 mAh. It has some key features such as the design is inspired by the eagle, fire resistance, and high temperature bearing material is used in manufacturing, thick rubber sheets and pads to control vibration, UL2271 certified lithium-ion batteries, equipped with an intelligent battery management system, maximum speed 18 miles per hour, the powerful 400-watt motor. Positive side of this product. The product overall meets the safety and quality standards of the UL2272 certificate. The product has CPSC approval. The product has a 1-year warranty. The battery has more efficient use due to the smart battery management system. The batteries are manufactured by Samsung. Negative side of this product. Continuous annoying beep sound while riding at top speed. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.